Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Swift runtime and executor target so you know which code path times out. Once done, confirm networking basics, DNS resolution, port reachability, and any proxy or firewall between you and the executor. Make sure to run a minimal reproduction that triggers the timeout while you capture detailed logs and timestamps. This gives you deterministic data to work from, and it prevents chasing unrelated configuration issues as you proceed to deeper diagnostics. Next, you dive into diagnostics to find the root cause. Run TCP dump to observe packets, use netstat or SS for socket states, and lsoft to map FDS. Once you see stalls or retransmits, adjust executor-side timeouts and client connect/read timeouts so they match realistic network latency. Also tune retry and exponential backoff. Check thread pools and event loop saturation, and raise file descriptor or ephemeral port limits if needed. These steps address both network and resource bottlenecks causing the timeout. Finally, apply your configuration and code fixes. Roll out adjusted timeouts, resource limits, and any executor patches, then restart the affected services. Once complete, validate under synthetic and production-like traffic to ensure the timeout no longer reproduces and watch success rates and latencies. If problems persist, make a core dump or capture extended traces, increase logging verbosity, and escalate with these artifacts. One key tip: rerun your minimal reproduction immediately after each change so you can isolate which change resolved the timeout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.